So welcome folks to unit number 58 in the Dakota unit complex. This is a cosy 2-bedroom unit that's had quite a bit of renovation done to it and sits within the popular Dakota complex, which has got swimming pools, squash court, half-court tennis court, and it's well located in Belgian Gardens. So this one has got some new carpets on the floor. You've got your combined dining and lounge space here. Nice big split system air conditioner on the wall there. Now what you'll see with this one as well is it's got the exposed timber beams above, which just gives it a really interesting feel. But you do get those nice high ceilings there as well. The kitchen has had a refurb as well. You'll see that it's got a good sized pantry, very nice bench tops there, some good cupboard space. There is a range hood and also an electric stove there, double sinks, and there's a Bosch dishwasher in there as well. So plenty of bench space, and that looks out to that living and dining space out there as well. It's really quiet in this part of the complex. It's kind of tucked away off one of the little the streets off the main drag there, and yeah, it's just got a lovely peaceful feel. You'll see that you don't sort of look out to too much from the bedrooms, other than nice bushland and trees and stuff. So that's really nice as well. Coming into the bedrooms here, they're both a good size. So there's a nice big built-in cupboard there. We've also got this balcony at the back here, which is accessed by both of the bedrooms. But when you look out there, you see that it's very green and not too many neighbours looking in on you. Split system air conditioner in this room as well. It's the toilet there. We'll take you through the bathroom, but we'll go through this other bedroom first. So splits throughout, ceiling fans, security and insect screens. That's the access door to get you out to that little balcony that we were just on there as well. Also a nice big built-in cupboard in this one as well. So they're a good layout because the bedrooms are sort of away from the living spaces as well, and within the bathroom there's that separate toilet, but you've also got your laundry facilities in there as well. So nice modern vanity with the above bench sink, big storage cupboard there as well, and then you flip over to the laundry space there, which is kind of tucked away, and there's also your shower, walk-in shower there too. So there's also a storeroom that comes with the unit, and a designated car space as well. So lots of windows to let in light and breezes. It's just a very cosy unit in a nice spot. Belgian Gardens is nice and close to everything, but away from the rat race that can happen with some of those suburbs closer to the city, which are full of units. So the owners have decided they want to sell this, so please don't just watch list it. Give us a call. We'd love to show you through. There's floor plans also online where you can see the layout that I've just walked you through, and yeah, we would love to show you through.